So, hello. Once again, I'm back on my prehistoric MacBook Air 2012 running EndeavourOS Xfce. Before I will continue, I want to make sure that the stream is working, functioning properly. So let's just do that. Sorry, my bad. Here we are. Is it going to start? What is going on? Let's reload the page. This is very important because I need the stream to be working. Else, what are we doing here? Okay, nice. So here we are. Nice. I will close this now and don't need it. So yeah, we are back. I can't believe this. It's like yeah, I have to count down, and before I will continue, I have to show you the system information. Let's use first the Xfce thing to do so. So here we are. As you can see, MacBook Air EndeavourOS. It's the latest build, 64-bit Xfce X11, and this is the system information: Intel Core i7, 8 GB of RAM, and the integrated graphics. 2012, insane, really insane. And let's go now to the system terminal. Here we are. EndeavourOS kernel is Linux 6.19. One of the latest kernels, if I'm not mistaken. Running free cell, running on a full native screen resolution of 1440 by 900, 13-inch display at 60 Hz. Xfce, as I said before, X11, as I said before, and you can pause the stream or later on the YouTube video when I will have it available, when it will be available on my YouTube channel. You can pause it and take a good look. So first things first. The system is, as I said, prehistoric, with or without quotation marks. I'm talking about like more than a dozen years old. In technology years, it's like prehistoric for sure. Anyway, it's fully updated. I will show you about this very soon. But before we will continue, let's see the OBS settings. And this is also very important because at the moment I'm using heavy stuff, very heavy stuff for this era of computers. So let's go there. As always, streaming and recording locally and streaming. And these are the settings. The thing is, maybe the camera will lag now and then, but offline test that I have done, it soon thereafter recovers and it keeps on going. I mean the camera with full effects and everything. Anyway, I'm also using on the microphone effects, of course. I have to cancel some noisy stuff like the fans, like, surround noise, etc. Anyway, as you can see, the system is running in its native screen resolution of 1440 by 900, but I'm streaming and recording at 25 FPS. And this is the settings that I'm using. For the streaming, I'm using the software X264. Encoder preset is very fast, the default basically. And then I'm using the MKV file format basically with the hardware encoder of it's not hardware, I'm just being old cow now. It's just software, but a better setting for the recording. Anyway, there is that regarding the streaming stuff. And let's go back to the system. Basically, since you saw it last time, I've changed like a few things around, like the fonts, like the colors, the icons, the cursors and all that. Here are the system settings, how they look nowadays. Okay, basically I'm using the Sweet Dark V40 still. However, the icons are Beautyline and the font from Roboto is JetBrains. Sorry. And of course this is the same for the rest of the stuff. Like here, the style on the theme is Sweet Dark V40 and the title font is JetBrains again, the font. The wallpapers are, if I'm not mistaken, the latest ones. Let me check out, sorry, my bad, wrong click. It has to be around 889. So yes, 889 files. And these are the full-blown 2K, 4K, Full HD images. Nothing, no shortcuts, nothing. For example, let's go to the 4K part. Here we are. This is not the Gwen view, how it's pronounced. This is the default viewer. And right now I think I opened up all the files at the same time or something. So here we are. It's kinda limiting the way I want it to be, but yeah, as you can see, the system runs flawlessly. I'm trying to move us fast to the 4K stuff. Is this a 4K stuff? I'm not sure. Let's see. Some kind. Oh, here it is. Here it is. It's not. So let's keep on going. We are still in about full HD to 2K images. I think I have to pass the Final Fantasy images now that I remember. But I could be wrong. But let's just keep on going. Here, this one. Okay. 2K image. Anyway, let me close it and then just do this and open up this image. Not waste any more of the time. So as you can see, 4K image, 4K image, and so on. So basically I have the system still using full effects like transparency, shadows, everything, full size wallpapers changing every minute or so. Camera effects, streaming, recording locally, this will be forbidden. Anyway, this is my Vivaldi browser, of course, it's the default. Let's go to the YouTube. And then I just want to show you how the system performs while doing, so to speak, everyday stuff. And let's go to more apps. I will keep on opening more apps in order to push the system harder. Let's go with the terminal. Maybe right now you have been experiencing the camera lagging behind, but eventually it will keep on going like nothing happened. So trust this one. And yeah, as you can see, no problem at all. Latest apps, everything. Kdenlive, GIMP, Vivaldi browser, everything. Absolutely latest apps. I can't believe this is happening for real. I don't think that any macOS system or a Windows system this old would like to have this experience using the latest software. But yeah, amazing. Maybe if you will be using Linux, yeah, but I don't think so with the Windows software itself. Or even macOS system running the newest software on such old systems. I don't think so, team. Okay, did I click on Tenacity or... Yeah, I clicked. Okay. I started to worry, what is happening? Where is Tenacity? But yeah, anyway, I have all the apps open. So right now, for those that don't remember, I had a few customizations in place on this system. For example, I used the shortcut key to switch to another workspace. As you saw, it was instant. Let's do this again. Boom, back to the workspace 1. Now we'll go back to the OBS. Boom, like that, instant, no problem at all. And then again back to workspace 1. Instant, flawlessly. And now I will do what I like to call expose. I have it on a keybind. Boom, instant. All the apps just like that. No problem at all. Again, boom, 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 boom. No problem at all. 2012, I repeat, 2012 computer. Insane. And right now we'll go back and close a few apps. I want to show you the system needs few customizations to be done, like I have been doing on the latest Linux distributions, but some of them are already in place. You will know what I'm talking about very soon. However, I think I will try to do both the cursor factories, if possible, of course, these things, if possible, both the cursor factory and the wallpaper jumper. And also, I will show you very soon one of the customizations that I have done on Arch Linux, but not in any other computer that I have. But on this one, it's already done. I will show it to you very soon. And then also I have a few little details here and there, like taking care of couple apps appearing as best as possible with the themes and icons and cursors and all that. Anyway, here is the terminal. Once again, maybe you have noticed this already. I tried to make it be like the closest thing to my Swedish flag colors, yellow and blue, and also match my sweet dark V40 theming and beauty line and red glass cursors and all that. So it's a bit of a blend of Swedish flag colors and cyberpunk thing, kind of a thing. And I think it's a good matchup. Here it is, the prom, the fast fetch, everything. And for example, this one, boom. And this is how things appear to be. And then, I don't know if, I think I've never shown you this before on this system, at least. Surely I have shown you this on MX Linux, this much I remember. And maybe on PKOS, but I'm not that sure. However, this is what I have done a long time ago, but I will show you now. I can type Yeoman, for example, and the system will ask me for my password, and then will take care of all the system updates, regardless of their source. And so basically one command and one password away to fully update my system. I like it. I prefer it, and I'm trying to implement that in all of my systems. So yeah, this is the progress so far on this prehistoric MacBook Air. My guess is that the camera already is playing back properly on the stream, and I'm sure the recording will be fine too. Keep always in mind that I have on this system something, how can I say this? Special. Basically, I had another default user on this system, and then I created another one. So basically, this is a two-user system, and I'm saying this because maybe few of the things are different compared to the past, but maybe because I don't recall this, maybe you were seeing the older user. The user functions just fine. I just stopped using it because I started messing with this one. And last but not least, I don't recall this. Let's check out together. Yes, right? I had a virtual manager installed. I think I made it for the same reason that I made the installation on my Arch Linux system, in order to customize it and show you how I customized my Xfce environment. If I remember, that was the deal about it. But yeah, it's still around, alive and kicking. And also, I'm not sure if it still works, but let's just try simple math. For example, 10 plus 20 times 50. Yeah, forgot the symbol, equals. So let's do that. I think that was it, how it was working. But maybe I need to fix this again, or maybe it was on the other user. Yeah, maybe I misremember it. Let me try it in another way. Yeah, I think I misremember this one. Or maybe it was needed space or something. No. Yeah, most probably I'm misremembering, or it's damaged and I need to fix. I have the script taking care of these things. So yeah, I have some work to do on this system, but maybe by tomorrow, when I will have the next stream and the next video ready, maybe I will already have accomplished a few new things. But yeah, as you can see, fantastic. Such an old machine being able to be used for newer stuff. And I think, yeah, LibreOffice Writer, no problem at all. So maybe if you are a user that doesn't play games, you can use this machine for the basic stuff, the everyday basic stuff. Do I have it? Yes, I have it. As you can see, so snappy. It's like, what the heck is happening? Amazing. Anyway, I think that was it for today. No need to drag this any longer. Hopefully you enjoyed what you saw. Or if your jaw still is attached to your skull, you are safe. So don't sue me or anything. Yeah. Dad jokes and all that. Sorry, fellas. Anyway, as always, thank you for everything and see you on the next one. Bye.